Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making a simple stir-fry dish, 青椒肉丝, shredded pork with hot pepper. This dish is so simple that you only need 3 ingredients: some pork, hot pepper, and a few slices of ginger. We need to julienne the ginger slices. For the hot peppers, we can use the knife to pat it flat, then julienne them. Finally, cut the pork into slices, then julienne the slices into shoestring size. To make the pork tender and juicier, we can add a little bit cold water and mix it in with the pork. Repeat this process twice to make sure all the water can be absorbed by the pork. Then we're going to season the pork with some salt and white pepper. Mix everything well. Finally, add some cornstarch and rice wine and mix till the pork absorbs all the liquid. Finally, add some cold oil to lock in the moisture. Let it marinate for 10 minutes. For cooking, we can heat up the wok first and then saute the hot peppers without any oil. This pre-cooking process is to speed up the final stir-fry. Also, this can boost the flavor of the hot pepper. After sauteing for a minute, take the hot peppers out to be used later. Heat up the wok again, add some cold oil, then put in the pork and start to saute the pork. Once all the pork turns into solid white color, we can add the ginger. Finally, add the hot peppers back in. We are going to season the dish with some soy sauce and some sugar to balance the hotness. You can also add a few drops of vinegar as well. Stir fry everything on high heat and then the dish is done. The pork should be tender and juicy and the hot pepper should still be a little bit crunchy. This can be served with rice or over a bowl of noodle. We hope you learn how to cook this simple stir fry and can give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you next time.